Hello, my young explorers. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So, let us begin with the chapter number 1 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is the alphabet, right? So, इस chapter में अब हम पढ़ेंगे alphabets के बारे में. So, let us begin very quickly. So, first of all, we have let's understand box, which says an alphabet is a set of letters. कि जो alphabet है वो set है एक letters का, यानी कि collection है letters का. The letters are arranged in a fixed order. कि जो letters हैं ये actually arrange किए जाते हैं एक fixed order में. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. तो English alphabet में total 26 letters combine किए जाते हैं, right? Now, the next topic that we have over here is capital letters and small letters. तो अब हम बात करेंगे capital letters और small letters के बारे में, right? So, they say, we write these letters in two ways, capital and small. So, अब ये क्या बता रहे हैं कि ऑब्वियसली हम इन सभी लेटर्स को, अल्फ़ाबेट्स को कैपिटल और स्मॉल लेटर्स में लिख सकते हैं, राइट? वी राइट कैपिटल लेटर्स लाइक दिस, और हम लोग कैपिटल लेटर्स इस तरीके से लिखते हैं जैसे कि हमें यहाँ पर दिखाया गया है, जिस A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z, right? Next, it says we write small letters like this. अब ये कह रहे हैं कि हम small letters को इस तरीके से लिखते हैं. Let's have a look on them also. Which is A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y. Here we have a do not forget box. Let's see what points are mentioned over here. So it says capital letters are also called big letters or uppercase letters. तो ये जो capital letters हैं इन्हें हम big letters या फिर uppercase letters के नाम से भी जानते हैं. Small letters are also called small letters or lowercase letters. हम small letters को small letters या फिर lowercase letters के नाम से भी जानते हैं. The vowels and the consonants. तो अब बात की जाए vowels और consonants के बारे में. तो अब ये क्या है? Let's read them and find out. So, they say alphabet is divided into two parts. तो ये जो alphabets हैं ये actually दो parts में divided है. One is vowels and the other one is consonants, right? अब ये vowels और consonants क्या होते हैं इन्हें डिटेल में जानते हैं. The 5 letters A, E, I, O and U are called vowels, right? तो ये जो 5 letter हैं हमारे, that is A, E, I, O and U. All these letters are considered as the vowels, right? Now, coming up to the consonants. So, let's see what are they. The other 21 letters in the English alphabet are called consonants. तो जो बाकी 21 letters होते हैं इन 5 vowels से अलग, उन्हें सभी को कॉन्सोनेंट्स कहा जाता है. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z, right? All these 21 letters are considered as the consonants. Clear? Now, we have a don't forget box. Let's read the points that are mentioned over here. Vowels have their own sound. They can be spoken alone. तो vowels के पास उनकी खुद की sound होती है और they can be spoken alone. हम उन्हें अकेले में भी बोल सकते हैं, right? हम उन्हें अकेले भी बोल सकते हैं. Cannot be spoken alone. पर ये जो consonants होते हैं इन्हें हम अकेले नहीं बोल सकते हैं, right? They can be spoken with the help of vowels. कि actually इनके sounds में हम vowels को add करते ही हैं, right? क्योंकि ये अलग से नहीं बोले जा सकते. So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all enjoyed it and you all are clear with the alphabet and all the 26 letters that are present in the alphabets, right? So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.